All right, time to talk about the weather, and we might have a little bit of weather to talk about in terms of rain on the horizon. Annalise?
We could, yeah, it could be some travel disturbances here over the next several days, Karen, because our pattern turns very much unsettled through this last week of August and the first week of September here later on this week. Take a look right now, two different areas that we're watching. You can see a system just off the Gulf helping to pump that really rich tropical moisture back in. So we're watching that start to spread from South Texas now into East Texas. And then a little disturbance out to the west of us is also allowing for more activity. So two different areas on either side of the I-35 corridor that we're going to have to watch. With both of them around, we'll see some heavy clouds at times today. We'll certainly see the high humidity, and we will see some heavy pockets of rain. Right now, nothing overly widespread, no metroplex impacts, but we do have some heavy rain out to the west for Breckenridge to Graham, and some of that will likely try to spread towards Montague County. Meanwhile, new development here over the past hour, trying to spread northward. Nothing big here at all, just some very small, brief showers from around Anderson County, moving up towards Henderson County, Navarro County, getting in occasionally on that very brief rain as well. As we take you through the clock the rest of today, let's go ahead and just keep that rain gear with you. I don't think you'll need it much at all, if at all, especially around DFW. But later on in the afternoon, we'll certainly be watching out to the west and to the south and east of DFW for some of that impact. Then into tomorrow, more of that Gulf moisture is starting to arrive. Really, the core of the energy is moving into the Lone Star State. So this gives us a better chance to tap into all that moisture. And we're talking about scattered showers and storms, especially right now, looks like along and south of I-20, anytime from around mid-morning into Tuesday afternoon. More clouds likely tomorrow, too. That's good news. That'll help to keep the temperatures in check. But for today, about 93, 94 for the high. It's going to feel as hot as 100, unfortunately, when you do factor in how humid it is, not feeling our best through the next several days, and a lot more of that cloudy sky on the way as well. Right now, though, 91 is how it feels, even though it's actually 85. So really humid, tropical kind of days for us the next several days. Still talking scattered showers even as we look ahead to Wednesday. Rain chances will taper off Thursday and into Friday, as we will finally be talking about a system passing our region, and that will allow for a drier weekend. But as far as the heat going away for September, Karen, we all know here in North Texas, the calendar may change, but our pattern is not changing just yet.
All right, Annalise, thank you.